Hey everyone, this is Matsec, and today I am back with another TryhackMe challenge called Security Footage. This one, PCAP challenge, where our task is to recover video footage from network traffic. We will spot a GET request in the capture, then follow the traffic stream carrying the video footage. But here's the catch: the streamed object cannot directly extracted using Wireshark like usual. So we will need to think little creative. If you enjoy packet analysis and PCAP challenges, you're gonna like this one. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe to Matsec and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any cybersecurity walkthroughs. Let's dive in. So in this challenge, they have given a task file. So I have already downloaded it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open Wireshark. So Wireshark and this file, enter. So the Wireshark opened with this file. So what we can do is we click any of the TCP stream data and right click, and you're gonna follow the TCP stream. What this gonna do is it's gonna reassemble all the packets, TCP packets into a stream data so that it will be easy for us to gather all those data, what is going on between the packets. So just like TCP stream, it will look like this. It will be in this format. It will look like this. And if you see here, JFIF. What this means is JPG file interchangeable format. So what this format is like, it is a compressed format of JPG, and which is used to transfer the files between the streams. There is a lots of JPG files consist here. If you see, you can check here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just click a raw, and we're gonna convert this format into raw, and we're gonna save as image.bin. Save it. Now it looks good, and we're gonna close this, and we should have the file in a directory, image.bin. Yes. So now what I have done is I have asked ChatGPT to build a script for me. So, hi, as a Python developer and the security engineer, I have a .bin file in my directory. So I need to extract the images in order to separate in the separate folder from that file. So what it has given us, it has given me Python script to extract the images from that .bin. So I have to copy this, and then let's open mousepad image.py, and we're gonna save. And what we need to do is we need to change this images.dump.bin into image.bin. And what this is going to do, it's going to read the image.bin file, and it's going to extract all those images and save it into extracted images folder. Let's save this, and straight away we'll run this. Python 3 image.py. So this has extracted 540 images for us. So I think it's 541 images. So 00, yes. 541 images for us. So let's see those things. Okay, so this has an extracted images. So all those images is a flag frames. If you see, all those images looks like a video. So what we can do now, we can combine all those images into a video. Because there's all those images are frames, right? So we can integrate these images to look like a video, right? So same thing. I asked ChatGPT to build a video for me. This images into a video for me. So so now we have 540 images, so we need to make this as a video frames and gather information from it. So develop a script to merge all those images and to create a video. What this GPT does is it has created me a Python script again, and we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna save it as video.py. So paste it here and save it. So we have this extracted images, and we're gonna save this as output video.mp4. And it looks good. Mm, let's save this and close it. And also, I think we need to install the dependency packages. So for that, I think it won't work in Kali. So we need to create a virtual environment. Let's see. Oh, yes. So we need to create a Python virtual environment for this. So V I'm gonna create so it will be slash VNV, and I'm gonna save this into sec f dot environment. Okay. So now we're gonna we should activate this. So source, this is the environment folder. So we're gonna open bin and activate in .fish. So I'm using fish shell, so I'm gonna use activate .fish. So if you're using a normal shell, then you can use just activate and enter. Now I'm gonna install the dependency. It should work now. Okay, the dependency is successfully installed. Now we're gonna run this Python video.py. So this has created a video successfully. So now let's open our folder, security footage, and we have this output.video. If you click this, you got your flag. So this is the easy way to solve this room. If you like this video, please subscribe and chat your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.